Okay, this is the cornbread, and I cooked it a little bit more, and after it cooled, it looks like it set up some. But yeah, if you saw yesterday's video, I finally realized that I did use the whole can of corn, and I was only supposed to use a cup. But that's not bad. And beans. Have you tried it?
I'm going to right now. That's good. You can tell it's wetter than it should be, but it tastes good.
Yeah, it's cream, corn, and green chilies are in it.
Nice.
And you're having a little bit of roast beef.
And your beans.
Beans.
And I'm going to add some salsa to it.
All right, let's eat. And try this. It's all right. So she added her roast beef to the
and salsa.
Beans and what?
And salsa.
Salsa and cornbread. Finn, hi. What you doing?
Falling.
What you doing?
What Finn does best other than chewing, he's falling.
Yep.
Hi, can I help you?
Sweet boy. Good morning. Making some scrambled eggs. Have a little bit of that pinto beans left over, so it's bean, egg, and cheese burritos today. Yeah. Got my beans in there with a little bit of bacon grease I keep in the freezer. And refrying them. And mash. Tortilla. Scoop of beans. It might be a little runny. Or not. Depends on how you like them. Egg. Egg, egg, egg. And cheese. And Sammy, that was your little bite down there on the step. Yeah. She says, where? Okay, here she comes. Here she comes. And burritos and salsa will travel. Yeah. My little friend helping me this morning.
He's been watching you for about 30 minutes.
Hi, Guy. Hi, Guy. Oh, so what have we been doing? We have been tightening this tree up, staking it, and tightening these ropes up. We ratcheted it, and then I tied it. So every time we come back, we need to tighten it up a little bit. Okay, and now she's cutting. Good morning. Brr, it's a little chilly this morning and the wind's blowing. And I gotta get out and do my volunteer work here at the RV park. It takes me about an hour. And I can take the golf cart around or not. And today, not, because it's cold. So I'm going to do it in my van. So I'm going to get started on the paperwork and drink me some coffee. Turn the van on with the heater on. yeah. And I defrosted some ground beef for some chili today. Today and tomorrow is supposed to be in the 60s, so, and in the 30s at night. So, yeah, it's going to be, I guess I probably need to look at the weather and put my tomatoes inside if that's the case. My plants. I don't know how long it's supposed to be in the 30s, but we shall see and prepare for that. And laundry today too. We usually do laundry on Sunday, but they had a water repair Sunday, so they had to cut the water off, so we got bumped. So we signed up for today to do our laundry at 11. So we're gonna do that. So chores, just chores. You're cute. Don't go under the van. They're going under the van.
I guess I'll sit here for a minute. I'll drink my coffee.
Okay, I wanted to show you the, I could call them Frugal finds, I guess, but it's not like way, I need to get the chicken out. Well, I did buy a chicken. Hang on. Okay, and I wanted to go over the sales flyer and then show you what I bought. And I compared prices with Walmart, so they were cheaper buying them locally at the local grocery store versus buying at Walmart. So I only bought one chicken. I know in my meal plan I said I was going to buy two. I only bought one because going through my freezer yesterday, I have 10 pounds of leg quarters that I need to defrost and cook. So, and I think I got that for 49 cents a pound. So I'm going to get those cooked up and add to my freezer. And then I bought this one chicken, 99 cents a pound. So I got this whole chicken for $6.41. And it's still frozen. So I've got it in my little refrigerator here, my tiny house, thawing. And I will put that in the crock pot tomorrow, because today I'm cooking chili for today and tomorrow. So anyway, I bought one of those, and then I bought 4 of the pasta sauces, which is right there. 4 for $5, and I looked up the price with Walmart. Insert that price here because it was cheaper to buy here. And if you know me, I love this cheap Hunts. It is name brand. I hardly ever buy name brand. This is one thing I do buy name brand, because it used to just be $1, but obviously they've gone up in price. But I love this kind of sauce when I make chicken piccata, and I add the spaghetti, and then I just use the cheap spaghetti sauce. So I didn't pick up anything else from there. I still have cheese. So, that was singles and slices. I don't need that. And let's see what else I got. I bought those last time, the brownie. All right. I bought 2 of the cake mixes for 98 cents because I use that when I'm making my cobbler or dump cake in the Dutch oven. And so I bought 2 of those. And I compared them with the Walmart brand cake mixes, and they were over $1. Insert price here for that. And what else did I buy? Well. Oh, the pie filling. So I also compared the pie filling the same size with Walmart and this was cheaper, $2.98. And I loved the chicken dump cake, or chicken cherry. So I bought 2 of the cherry pie filling and 2 of the cake mixes. And one thing that I bought that is not on, well, actually I bought 2 things. This grocery store doesn't ever advertise this coffee as being on sale. I just happened to, this is my second time that I have caught it on sale. And I don't know why they don't advertise it. Why? Because everybody would come in and buy it? I don't know. Anyway, if you saw in one of my videos there in Capitan, this size coffee was going for $20-something. Well, at this local grocery store, it was going for, Folgers was going for 21 or 22. I'll show you the price. And this, same size, the 30 ounce, is going for $10.99. Let's see, where is that? The Food Club Classic, $10.99. So coffee lasts quite a long time. So I now have 4 of these. And one of these will go to Quartzsite with me. And, God, yep, coffee's going up. Just as they said it would. Yeah, $20, $21 for that size coffee. Wow, it's time to stop drinking coffee. You think that'll happen? No, we're just gonna pay the price. All right, so I didn't get anything else. This was my grocery haul. They're at the local store. And while I was there, I bought the green enchilada sauce for when I make the chicken enchiladas. I'm going to just use this sauce on there. So that, and I already had the corn tortillas, so that's going to be a part of the meal, as you saw on the meal plan. All right, it's time to go do laundry. I'm going to put this chicken back in the refrigerator to thaw and go do some laundry. I'm cooking Sammy's food. Some rice. Oh, I can put the lid on that now. Turn it down. Put the lid on it. Cooking some ground turkey. And then I'm going to start on the chili. It needs to cook for a little while.